Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to simply update your region or location in Chrome better. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Chrome better. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then scroll down and make sure you go to and click on more settings. Then go to other settings. Then click on language and region. Then click on current region. Then right here, you can scroll down right here and look for your region. Or better still, you can simply make use of search engine and type in your region. And your region is going to display. So just like I'm going to make use of this search engine, I will type in Nigeria and let's see. So as you can see, this is my region right here. Having selected your region, hit on confirm. It's as simple as that. So you can see my current region has been updated. So basically, this is how to simply change or update your region in Chrome better. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.